Did you see any website? If your answer is yes, then you will see there is lots of things like text, images, videos and lots of things. Let's get some example. Just simply browse on your browser DAVCMG. You will find text, images, sounds and videos easily. So go and browse it DAVCMG. You will find this all things, this all functions in it. So the website have two types, static web page and dynamic web page. Let's learn what is static web page. Let's learn what is come in static web page. Dynamic web page is an example of static web page, and YouTube is a biggest example of dynamic web page. Okay, let's learn what is a static web page. Guys, static web page is just a web page which show the same content each time they are viewed. And what is dynamic web page? Dynamic web page are those web page which show different content in each time we access it. Okay guys, so the dynamic web page हमेशा चेंज होते रहता है like YouTube. Okay, let's observe some things. Guys, as a book is a collection of number of pages on topics, subjects. Similarly, a website is a collection of number of web pages related with its topics. Okay, there are number of books kept in a library on different shelves. Similarly, there is number of websites are hosted or available on the internet hosted service. Okay, web server पे होते हैं. Every book have its home page or no unique name. Similarly, every web page या website have its unique address is known as uniform resource locator, as known as URL. All books are written in different languages: Hindi, English, Chinese, French and lots more things, guys. And similarly, a website or say web page is created with its own language known as hypertext markup language, in short HTML. Okay, I think you got it, HTML. All book have its cover page which provide name of book, author, publisher and also. Similarly, a website have its home page which say about, which provide name of developer and name of website.